Natural cool. Coolness when no one else can manage it. HPro, a pump with a big heart. Natural Cool is proud to present HPro, a space-age atomizing control unit suitable for intensive work and equipped with professional accessories until now optional on the market. The HPro unit has a distinctly Italian strong heart. A pump specially designed for the atomization of water that can work at a pressure of up to 105 bar. Thanks to a flow rate valve, this pump can work at a very low capacity without suffering overheating problems, a phenomenon known as bypass. A 6-pole 900 RPM motor guarantees a low noise level below 55 decibels and a long-term reliability. The working pressures are above average, up to 105 bar, guaranteeing a fine atomization. A manostat is mounted as standard that stops the pump in the case of a lack of water, together with an inline safety solenoid that stops the water flow whenever the pump is switched off. A further solenoid is present in the high pressure part that has the task of depressurizing the line every time the control unit is not operating. In addition to a strong heart, HPro has a unique brain that allows it to prevent mishaps even before they can happen. The new EDI3 control panel. A microchip manages all the input-output connections, making this device intelligent and never out of date. New firmware updates are available, implementing new functions also to user specifications. The touchscreen operating buttons, like the commands, are low voltage, respecting current norms, and a large display allows the visualization of all the pump parameters with the aim of guaranteeing efficient cooling. By means of a high-precision probe, it is possible to see the relevant ambient temperature and humidity and control both values, thus guaranteeing an ideal microclimate that is never uncomfortable. A pause and work cyclic timer allows the input of the correct quantity of water. The agenda function permits a programmed turning on and off during the day, avoiding the need for an operator. A visible timer allows the calculation of the working time of both the pump unit and the fans, indicating on the display the periodical deadlines for routine maintenance, such as oil change. The pump pressure and capacity are always shown on the display, and in the event of water loss by the plant or the installation of a quantity of nozzles below the characteristics of the pump, an alarm signals the anomaly. In the event of overheating, lack of water, or maintenance operations, the internal microchip turns the pump off, emitting a sound and providing a description of the relative alarm on the display. The auto program allows the pump to automatically dose the quantity of water for the environment based on the temperature in order to always provide a comfortable microclimate. By means of a specifically developed program and with certified products, it is possible to eliminate forms of bacteria, among which Legionella pneumophila. A useful radio command allows the remote turning on of the atomizer or only the fan part, and can prove useful above all when the unit is installed in locations difficult to access. The control panel is entirely supplied with low voltage and therefore fully respects the current norms in terms of operator safety. But the real novelty on the adiabatic humidification and cooling market is our GSM control, which can be integrated on the HPro model. Through a simple GSM message addressed to the SIM card inserted in the atomizing unit, it is possible to receive all the operational alarms, such as lack of water, overheating, plant water leak, and notification of the various programmed maintenance operations in order to promptly know of a possible fault and quickly fix it. Imagine one of your customers calling to tell you that excessive atomization is tending to condense and asking for assistance. By means of a text message, it is possible to change the pause and work times and alter the target humidity value, limiting the quantity of water in the environment and avoiding the costs of possible on-site assistance. Or the manager of a restaurant complains that the motor is hot. Through the sending of an SMS, it is possible to carry out a preventive diagnosis and remotely check the working pressure and pump temperature, just like the number of hours atomizing since first being turned on. The pumps employed for the HPro model have passed the strictest certification, such as CE and TUV. Natural cool. We cool where nobody else can.